Another important technique that helps us to do the calculation for the derivatives is using the quotient rule. Quotient rule is applied when you have a quotient. You have a function on the numerator, you have another function on the denominator. Well, in that method, you're going to take the derivative of numerator multiplied by the denominator minus the derivative of the denominator multiplied by the numerator. Everything is going to be divided by your denominator to power 2. So this is called the quotient rule. Very important formula in helping us to calculate the derivative of different types of functions. For example, you want to compute the derivative of f of x, which is x divided by 1 plus x squared. You're going to apply the quotient rule. So here we have some steps. The derivative of x multiplied by, so here you have the derivative of x multiplied by the denominator, which is 1 plus x squared, minus the derivative of the denominator multiplied by your numerator. And then you just take the denominator and raise it to power 2. As easy as that. Perfect. So let us do this process. It should be easy for us. F prime of x is equal to 1 plus x squared times the derivative of x is equal to 1. Dx of a constant function is 0. Dx of x is equal to 1. Dx of x squared is equal to 2x. In general, if you have a power function, x to power n is going to be n, x to power n minus 1. Minus, now the top is x times the derivative of 1 plus x squared, which is going to be 2x. Now divide this by 1 plus x squared to power 2. So let us try to simplify this. F prime of x becomes 1 plus x squared minus 2x squared divided by 1 plus x squared to power 2. So f prime of x can be written as 1 minus x squared divided by 1 plus x squared to power 2. This is the derivative of this quotient function using the quotient rule. Again, take a look at this important formula, f divided by g prime, or in general, you can write this guy as the top divided by the bottom. Derivative is going to be the derivative of top, whatever your function is, whatever the statement is, multiplied by the bottom minus the top portion multiplied by the derivative of your denominator. Divided by, you just copy down the denominator and raise it to power 2. If it makes it easier for you to remember this formula.